Hi, my name is Isabella Blanchette, but I go by Bella for short, as some of you know. And I do bring a lot of things to the table for this class. The first thing I bring is that I worked in a group home for over a year and a half with at-risk teenage girls between the ages of 11 to 18. So all of these girls had experienced some form of trauma or some form of disciplinary action that results in them residing in the group home, whether it was their own actions, their parents, or something along those lines. They were there, and a lot of my work with them was trying to get them to use clinically advised skills. We used the DBT model, and so just trying to get them to use that model in order to deal with the difficulties they're experiencing. Also trying to introduce them to the community again. I also mentor a teenager on the side. I mentor a 16-year-old girl, and so I go and visit her a couple times a week, bring her out into the community, and do things that are meant to benefit her in a clinical way. And in addition, I also have a lot of experience working or within the social service field. I have two younger adoptive siblings, so I've kind of grown up around it. I have a mom who's very involved in social services, and I also have a father who is a policeman. He actually just retired this year, so he has 30 years of experience, which I know I can talk to him about some of the difficulties I've had, and he can kind of understand. So I have a good support system there. And I also am just really interested in this field. I want to keep helping, and I know that this degree is going to better me further, so I'm really into my classes. I love to just dive into all the content, and I'm just really excited to be back in class. So I'll see you all soon. Thank you.